Hello, little ones, little podwans and paddles.
Come here.
Tonight, I want to talk about a terrible nightmare. A nightmare I have suffered. Everyone should feel so sorry for me. Give me your empathy. Give me your sympathy. You need to give me all of your emotions. The sorrow. I had a dream where the mother of my kids, my stolen kids, the best kind of kids are the ones you steal. I had a nightmare where the world ended and I had failed to steal some little meaningless morsel from her. You don't understand all of the years and years I struggled to keep my facade on my mask, my nice man mask, my sweet and dorky and innocent man. I struggled for years. I have a simple mask. It works every time on the chickie. When it was finally time for me to begin telling lies about her, I had to spend more years cultivating the lies, cultivating the smear campaign. Years cultivating my friends before I could move on to abuse by proxy. Abuse by proxy is power. Abuse by proxy is power. Abuse by proxy gives you everything, but you have to destroy her reputation so no one will listen to a word she ever says. That's the smear campaign. Before the abuse by proxy, the abuse by proxy is like dumping the biggest nuclear BOMB in the world down on her head, obliterating her. But before that, you must tenderize the world around her, so everyone will listen when you make those false allegations to stir up a little abuse by proxy, and then after you have done it just right, then you steal everything. You steal her reputation. You rewrite her whole history. You rewrite all her actions, behaviors, thoughts, feelings. From the moment she sparked to life in her mother's womb, to the future far past when she will finally expire and rot in the dirt. You will rewrite all of it. You will make it your story, your life. You will build her in your life into whatever you want her to be, to get other people to hurt her for you. And that hurting her for you is the abuse by proxy. It's power. Power. I worked so hard, my friends, for so many years. I've stolen the kids, I've stolen the children, and I have done things to the children you cannot imagine, and I have enjoyed it. I have done these things to the children in front of her, and even far away. She has sensed a good bit of it, and she can do nothing to stop me now. It feels so good to mess up those kids. F the kids up. And she can't do a thing. Because I have smeared her. Because I have done the abuse by proxy. Because I worked so hard to lie and scam and abuse by proxy and steal. I view this as my job. I have even hired thugs and private detectives. I have spent my own money, I mean the money I stole, to further stalk and attack her. And I will do this until she is rotted in the dirt and beyond. Because even when she is rotting in the dirt, I will always believe there's some little morsel I missed, and I'm entitled to it. Because evil and lying, scamming, stealing in Show America, USA is a real thing. The system, the courts, the agencies, like that.